is not working out.
चलो भाई.
What about the trade review? What about the function of WTO as a trade review body? Under WTO, please understand, the day-to-day functions of WTO are undertaken by a body called as General Council. And General Council will also have one more part called as Trade Policy Review Body. Now, whenever you talk about Trade Policy Review Body, what does it do? Basically evaluates the policies, the measures that have been undertaken by the member countries which are affecting
भाई यहीं पे
the global
मौत आता है मेरे को.
trade. Are the policies improving global trade? Are the policies hindering imports, promoting only exports, etc.? Review is conducted by this particular trade policy review. But the article simply says, in recent times there are so many policies which
क्लच प्लेट चला जाएगा भाई, इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक रहेगा.
There is no transparency
इसीलिए इंडिया में गाड़ी
in
बहुत जल्दी
revealing the
डिप्रिशिएट
information
करता है.
to the trade policy review board. And they are not revealing all of this information, they are not giving correct information to TPRB. As a result of this, even this particular function of WTO is not being performed correctly. And the third function is a dispute, trade dispute. In the earlier session also I have told you this. The trade dispute, basically the body which was set up under WTO was a dispute settlement body. But now, under the concept of a dispute settlement, the appellate body is not functioning. And because the appellate body is dysfunctional, the whole process of settling the dispute has become useless or has become stalled now. So I hope you understand this. The three very important functions of World Trade Organization are essentially these. And if you look at how WTO has been performing under all of these three functions, you will not be very happy with the performance of WTO. And that is the precise reason there are various questions which are being raised over whether WTO is even relevant today. Or is it a time to revamp WTO? But again the problem arises, if you want to revamp WTO, you require consensus. You want all the member countries to come on the same page and then revamp WTO. Whether that will happen or not, we'll have to wait and see. But I want to add one more current affairs point here. Please make a note of this. WTO needs to conduct day-to-day operations. But when WTO needs to conduct day-to-day operations, it requires funding. All of you okay with this point? It requires funding. Who will provide the funding to WTO? Generally, one question I come across in my classroom program is,
भाई
one of the
रुकने
other
का नाम
students
ही नहीं
will ask me,
लेता है
"Sir,
सब.
when WTO conducts, let's say, ministerial conference, they will book a very big hotel.
हर समय इतना ही भीड़ रहता है,
Multiple
पता नहीं.
cars are booked, etc., etc. From where does WTO get this money? The WTO basically collects this money from the member countries. Most of the amount that is used for the annual budget of WTO is the amount that is collected by the member country. Now, is it right basically fixed for every country like this? Remember this, WTO essentially uses a formula. The World Trade Organization uses a formula where majority of the weightage is given for how much of the total global trade is conducted by this country.
मिलते हैं
So
guys,
there is
bye
a
bye.
formula which will be used.